Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today we're going to be using this palette here. So I did a look with it on day one, where Pretty Random chooses my eyeshadows for 7 days. It's like a 7-day challenge. So I did this look and it didn't go quite to plan. Some of the files were missing, so I'm going to do it again. And it's just centered around these like kind of orange peachy tones here. So I think I used that one in the crease, then that one all over the lid, and then I think I tried that in the outer V, but it didn't quite work. So we're just gonna do a look basically. So let me just get my white chocolate bar first and put that all over the lids as usual. Starting to see some real progress now in this chocolate bar, white chocolate shade. So next month, on the 26th, so next month on the 26th of April, I'll show you the progress. Excuse me. Right, let's get this palette back and let's zoom in. Right, so for the first shade I'm going to go in with is this Coral Cloud one. So it's that shade there, and I wanted to use this palette anyway, but Pretty Random chose it out for me. Just purely because my sister got it me for Christmas and I've not really had a chance to use it. I've used it once or twice when I first got it, but other than that, not so much. So that's just going to go in the transition area. I just wish there was a couple more shades I could use that with this kind of coral. I'm taking it a bit higher. So it's probably just going to be a simple look. But then I got a free gift from the Pastel Roses UK when my order came on the same day that I was doing this look. And it's like a peach glitter, so we're going to use that as well. I was really impressed with it. And this is quite pigmented for a like coral peach shade. Always the left eye is patchy. Always. And then it starts to water as well, which doesn't help the case. Right, that'll do. I don't think there is no other orange to use. So I think originally I went in with this quite red toned one, but it is more red. I can use that again. So what shade was that? That was Sky High. Let's go in with a different brush. Yeah, it's not even really showing up against the Coral Cloud shade. So I would have liked a deeper shade. You just don't get them. I don't really want to dip in to another palette to get it. Right, so now then we're going to go in with the shimmer, which is called Soy. This one here, this really nice peach. So I'm going to put it on with my finger, I think. It is quite chunky and powdery, so that's what it looks like. And we will spritz the brush as well. Okay. Right, we'll try spritzing the brush first. It's not doing an awful lot, to be honest. Which that sometimes happens. It is a little bit more pigmented, just not much. Right, now let's choose an inner corner. I'm almost positive I used that like kind of lemon yellow one last time. So what shade's that then? Snow Glow. So let's go on with that one. So for the inner corner, dragging it down a little bit, and then we're going to drag it up towards the peach shade that I've laid down. This palette is really good for the price. I mean, full price, probably not so much. But saying that, full price, I think it's only £25 anyway. I got it for myself, and then my sister wanted to buy it for a Christmas present. So in total, with shipping, it was only £15. The palette itself was about a tenner, I think. Right, and then I think I'm gonna try and spritz it and try and get a little bit more pigment out of it. So going back in with the Snow Glow shade. It's a good palette to have if you don't have a lot of pastels, which I don't. I've just got this one palette, and then the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles, which the mattes do perform better in that one than this one. But the shimmers, I would say, perform better in this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get that pigment that the Pastel Roses UK sent me. Let's just pop this away. Actually, no, we'll do the lash line shade first. Get my brush for that. And for that, I'm just using a BH Cosmetics. Doesn't say the number, but it's just kind of a liner brush. And I'm going to go in with Coral Cloud again, because this one is just too mulberry, and obviously I want the look to look peachy. Yeah, that's looking nice. And then last but not least, in the eyeshadow department, I'm going to go back in with, where are you? With the white chocolate shade. Just for the brow bone. And to get more use out of it. Right, let me go and get the pigment and I'll show you what that looks like. Right, so the Pastel Roses UK sent me this as a free gift when I placed an order for some of their pressed duochrome eyeshadows. You'll see that in an upcoming video, so you'll see that before you see this video basically. And it's in the shade Sweet Peach. I don't think you're going to be able to see that on camera, but I'm going to do you a swatch and show you what it looks like, and then we'll put it on the eyelid. Look at that, guys. Right, so let's pop a bit on. We do one eye at a time. Yeah, so what I found really good about the Pastel Roses UK is you place the order and they sent you a free gift. I thought they only did that when you was a new customer, but then I placed a second order because the first time I placed an order there was a shade called Barbados and that was out of stock, and then it came back in stock. So I placed an order, got 25% off that eyeshadow, and also got another peach pressed eyeshadow. I think it's called California. like I said, you'll see all those in other videos that are coming really soon, so I don't really want to get them out and swatch them, but they are absolutely stunning. So now then, I just need to find, we'll use this one, this Urban Decay Basics brush. I might just take it clean out of the actual thing here, out of the pot. Normally what I would do is put some in the cap, and what I like about this one compared to like the Kama Cosmetics ones is they've got holes in, so you can take as much or as little out as you actually want, whereas the Kama Cosmetics one were flakes, so you couldn't really do that with that. Oh, that's so pretty. Obviously if you don't like glitters you're not going to use it, but I do like the odd sparkle here and there. Right, let's put some more glue on for the left eye. That's absolutely stunning. And you get quite a lot in these pots. I think they said about 1 mil or something like that, or 1 gram. It's probably 1 gram. But it's more than enough to try it out. You don't actually use a lot each time you're putting it on, and it's finely milled. I would be tempted to buy some of these, personally, after I've got enough of the duochromes and multichromes. Just a bit more. Yeah, and what I like about this, you can obviously, like with most glitters, you can sheer it out or make it more pigmented. And it just looks absolutely stunning. It's not just peach. What does it say on here? It says it's 1 gram. Just says it's one of their loose pigments. It just says the Pastel Roses, so that's the name of the company. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm really appreciative to have that as a little. I'm really appreciative to have that as a little sample. It just looks absolutely stunning with like other peach eyeshadows. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So that's what we're looking like so far. Can you see that shine? We'll put eyeliner on and mascara, and then I'll show you another up close and personal. Right, so eyeliner is the Too Faced Love. But don't poke myself in the eye. Okay. I don't often do this, but let's curl the lashes. There's not much difference. And this curler is by Pigment. And I looked this curler up. I got it in a mystery box and I looked it up and it was more than £20, which is ridiculous. I wouldn't pay that. So now we're going in with the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume mascara, which is becoming, you know, quite a holy grail for me. But I haven't used any other mascaras in a couple of months. Okay, and let me go and choose a lipstick now. Right, so I will be shopping my stash a little bit later on, because a new Shop My Stash is due to go up today. Probably only go up tomorrow though, so I'm sorry about that. Sorry it's a little bit late. So we're going to be using this Essence This Is Me 06 in Real, and that's what Pretty Random chose out for me last time. It's really pretty. Not ideal because I have to go to the shop and do a little bit of shopping, but yeah, we'll use it. Right guys, so this is the finished look. Real pretty. I just absolutely adore that glitter on it. Makes the eyeshadow look more impactful. My eyes are watering so bad. And I really do like the shades that I used today, so just for reference we'll go over them again. It won't take long. So we've got the Coral Cloud in the crease, the Sky High shade here in the outer V, the Source shade all over the lid, and then I used this beautiful lemon shade, Snow Glow, in the inner corner. Dragged it down a little bit and put it through to where that Source shade is, just so that they could meet in the middle somewhere. So yeah, this concludes the video guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and become part of our little fam. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.